Welcome to Soft Learn Online. In today's video, we will delve into the importance of a trading plan and guide you through the process of creating a personalized plan that suits your trading style and goals. A trading plan serves as your roadmap in the Forex market, providing you with a structured approach and guidelines for making informed decisions based on your objectives and risk tolerance. Having a well-defined trading plan offers numerous benefits. It increases discipline, consistency, and emotional control, allowing you to stay focused and make rational decisions. Additionally, a trading plan helps you manage risk effectively, minimizing impulsive trading decisions that could lead to unnecessary losses. It's crucial to emphasize the significance of adaptability and regularly reviewing your trading plan to accommodate changing market conditions. This ensures your plan remains relevant and effective. Setting clear trading goals is a vital component of your trading plan. It provides direction and helps you stay focused on achieving your desired outcomes. It's important to set both short-term and long-term trading goals to keep your trading journey on track. We will guide you through the process of defining realistic and achievable goals that motivate. Your trading plan should also outline the specific strategies and methodologies you will use to enter and exit trades. We will discuss various trading strategies, such as trend follow. Effective risk and money management are critical for preserving your trading capital. We will address key aspects of managing risk, including determining your risk tolerance, setting risk. Maintaining a trade journal and regularly evaluating your trading performance are essential for continuous improvement. We will explain the benefits of a trade journal and guide you on what to include. By reviewing and evaluating your trading performance regularly, you can identify areas for improvement and enhance your trading skills. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, join us on Soft Learn Online as we explore the world of trading plans and equip you with the knowledge to become a successful Forex trader. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Let's embark on this trading journey together.